Alright, so in this problem, they give us a bunch of prices, and our goal is always the same here. In this video, we're looking at unit prices. So it's our job to turn the prices we're given into unit prices. Now, a unit price just tells you how much something costs for 1 unit. So whatever amount you're buying, you want to know how much does one cost, whether it's 1 bead in the first example, or a nail, or a gallon, or a cup, or a can. You want to know how much one will cost. So let's take a look at these. In the first one, it's 12 cents, right, for 20 beads. I want to know how much does 1 bead cost. Well, to do that, I want to reduce this ratio until it says 1 cent, right, or in this case 1 bead, right. We want to know how much 1 bead will cost. So let's reduce it a little bit by halving it. We get 6 cents, right, will give us 10 beads, and that actually, I think, allows us to see the answer, right, because now with 10 beads, to get to 1 bead, I divide by 10, and that'll give me 1 bead, right, 1 bead, that will be how many pennies? Well, it'll be 0.0, right, excuse me, 0.6 cents, right, because here it's 6 cents divided by 10 is 0.6 cents. So we can reduce this ratio to this unit ratio right here. 1 bead will cost 0.6 cents. And then the next one we are told it's 8 cents for 10 nails. So the unit rate would be how much does 1 nail cost? Well, dividing both sides by 10, 1 nail, right, would equal 0.8 cents. Same reasoning as before. Right, so 10 nails would cost, of course, 8 cents. Alright, next one. It tells us 405 miles we can drive or whatever on 15 gallons of gas. So the unit rate would be not for 1 mile, but how far can we go for 1 gallon? So 15, right? Again, the shortcut being just divide by this amount. Divide both sides by 15. And we get 1 gallon is how many miles? Well, 405 divided by 15 is 27. So we can go 27 miles here on 1 gallon of gas. Not a bad, right, mile per gallon ratio. In the next one, we're told we have 3 cups of water. So 3 cups of water for 2 cups of orange concentrate. So 2 cups of concentrate, almost like a mix or a powder that we use to make a drink. We want to know, right, how much, well, this one's actually a little tough, I guess, because you're not sure. Do you want to know how much concentrate you need for 1 cup of water, or how much water you need for 1 cup of concentrate? But I'm gonna guess that we're gonna go for the amount of water needed, right? For the amount of water needed for 1 cup of concentrate, because the water, I guess, is, in some ways is unlimited, but the concentrate is what you're given. But with that being said, we divide both sides by 2, because if 2 cups of concentrate gives 3 cups of water, and we half that, 1 cup of concentrate, right, will require 1.5 cups of water. I think I said make water, but it won't make the water. You're mixing it with the water. So you need 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of concentrate. And last we have $4. So $4, we can't see that. $4, right, for 5 cans of soup. We want to know how much will 1 can cost. So dividing both sides by 5 will allow us to find that out. 5 cans is $4. 1 can is 4 divided by 5, which of course is 80 cents, or 0.8 of a dollar. So in that case, 1 can of soup is $0.8. Now I know I went through this fast and didn't show any visuals here, but I just wanted to work through it with you for practice. We have other videos going over in detail why a lot of this arithmetic helps out and why it makes sense. But the goal, again, is focusing on unit prices. Thanks.